God our Heavenly Father, as I look into our society, all I can see is trouble, chaos, and delusion. The ever-increasing of demoralization, iniquity, and injustice is the prevailing culture. The momentum of our evolving as we search for the answer is irreversible and unchanged. The certainty of our conclusion is deception and destruction. Surely I am a stranger in this world without your light. Lord, I lift my voice unto you as I seek your understanding, knowledge, and wisdom, because I want to know your way.
Teach me, Lord, for I long to know your ways. Make me strong to stand on solid ground. Lift me up to where I first belong. For your purpose that I'm engaging in, for the world to see you light. And I will praise you, praise your holy name. And I will declare your righteousness. Put your laws in my mind, write them all in my heart. For you're the song that I sing, I can't deny. You are the out of Zion, decrees coming forth over the nation. Kings will have to bow. God is marching as the sons of many waters throughout the earth. His saints declare, glory, glory, His kingdom come. And I will praise you, praise your holy name. And I will declare your righteousness. Put your laws in my mind, write them all in my heart. For you're the song that I sing, I can't deny. You are the one. And I will praise you, praise your holy name. And I will declare